I'm just a regular office worker. I've been working for a long time. I have a family, bills to pay, and a lot of things to take care of. Nothing fancy, just a normal life. But at some point, I started thinking, am I really living my life? Or am I just getting through the day? I go to work, I come to home, I do what I have to do. But honestly, deep down, I feel like something was missing. So I try to imagine myself 5 years from now. I didn't picture myself becoming super rich. I didn't picture myself becoming famous. I just imagine having breakfast with my family, doing work I can feel proud of, and not losing myself while trying to get through life. That was the kind of future I wanted. Of course, my life isn't perfect. Work is still complicated. Some days I feel sorry to my family. And I still worry about money, health, and life after retirement. Some days I feel like I'm moving forward. Other days I feel like I'm barely holding on. But I don't want to just let my life pass by anymore. I want to figure out what really matters to me. I want to figure out what kind of person I want to become. So I decided to start recording this journey. Not because I have everything figured out, but because I don't want to ignore these questions anymore. On this channel, I'll be sharing my journey of rebuilding my life, work, family, money, health, life after retirement, and small experiment for the next chapter of my life. This isn't a perfect success story. It's just an honest record of one Korean dad and office worker trying to build a better life, one step at a time. 5 years from now, I hope someone asks me this: what was the best decision you ever made? And I hope I can say I stopped pretending I didn't know what I really wanted. That's why I'm starting this. Dear Future Me Korea, a quiet record of work, family, and life in Korea. My journey back to the life I really want.